natural allies, and whoever has come out with the view, they have said that BJP should be taking the help of Shiv Sena as they will be forming a stable government. So we have to look out when the Desais meet Uddhav Thackeray, what really transpired there in Delhi, what really happened in Delhi, and what will be the way ahead. We have to see for that. Preeti.
All right, Shama, that was about the meeting, but then very quickly also tell us which way is the issue headed on from here, because we've seen that BJP has postponed the matter till Diwali, and also we've seen that there has been some sort of an effort being made on the part of the Shiv Sena to woo back its ally, that is the BJP. On the other hand, we've also seen that BJP has put a firm stand which says that they will not accept Shiv Sena's demand at this point of time, and they have other options, be it the NCP or the independent MLAs. These options are open for the BJP. Which way is the matter headed towards, and also what inputs do you have when we talk of the reactions from the NCP and these independent MLAs which the BJP could eye upon?
Right, this Diwali thing, that any matter, any decision would be taken only after Diwali is just, it can be seen as buying time, and BJP is sitting and buying time and making Shiv Sena sweat. We can say that because Shiv Sena is in a position to go ahead and initiate the talks for the government formation, because if Shiv Sena doesn't go and initiate talks, then BJP, like I said earlier, BJP now has the privilege. Maybe BJP would not even ask Shiv Sena. So this time around, Shiv Sena has left its tough stand and refrained from being very stiff on its position that if BJP is giving any proposal, only then they will be initiating any talks, or they are ready to accept. But yes, when BJP is saying any decision would be taken after Diwali, Shiv Sena has also realized that this is the time that